TikTok, I was just straightening my hair in the bathroom and dancing to I'm Hot by Avril Lavigne, and then I remembered, I was like, oh, one thing I used to do all the time, inspired by Avril, was I used to do the one piece under my hair of a different color, and usually red or pink, and I was like, I haven't done it in ages and I'd really love to do it. And then I remembered I've got this product still, so I wanted to do an updated review, not a review on it, just like just showing you guys how I do it and what the color looks like, because it's just a product review, I guess, just so you can see the results. So this is by Paintbox. It is their creative conditioning color. It's ammonia-free and peroxide-free. It's in the shade Hot Chilli. It comes in a 75ml or a 2.5 fluid ounce, and it's by Fudge. And you basically just paint it onto your hair and leave it. Pretty straightforward. Good results. I just wanted to show you guys, I guess, how it all works and what it looks like. And because I'm gonna get questions when I do it, I always did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair, and I'll show you guys how I do it. And it's straightforward and it's easy. I don't have tin foil, but I'm gonna use Glad wrap. So it's kind of like a vloggy situation. Oh, that's so annoying. I'm sorry. That's my alarm system, by the way. Not my alarm system. The fire alarm is going flat, so I need to go get batteries for it. I'm going to go back to listening to Avril while I do this. I'll just voice over what I'm up to. Pretty straightforward steps, guys. The first one is to brush your hair. The next thing you want to do is section out where you want to place the color. I always go on the underneath of the right hand side, and I always make sure that the hair on top does cover it. So when it's at the back, you can't always see the color that I've placed, but from the front you can see it peering through, obviously, because it's a chunk in the front, but it is hidden from the back, if that makes sense. You'll see what I mean when I show you the results of this. You want to pin back your hair and do so very carefully. You do not want to end up with any color anywhere you don't want it. And then just go ahead and shampoo your hair and towel dry it. Taking the product, I'm going to place this into a mixing bowl just so it's nice and clean. I do not want to get this on my hands. Typically I do actually use my hands for a lot of the hair products that I put in my hair and just deal with the stains, but not this one. So just taking that brush, I am then just using some Glad wrap to cover my hands and just backing my hair there and brushing the product on, and I'm just making sure it's completely saturated in the product. Once I'm satisfied with how much the hair's covered, you can see I'm using the Glad wrap there to really just use my fingers to push the product through my hair. I'm then just grabbing the Glad wrap and wrapping my hair in it, and then I'm just going to clip it back with my little hair clip. Once the hair has done processing, I do tend to leave this on longer than it says, just typically because I'm usually working or doing something at the same time, so I do like to leave it on quite a lot longer than the recommended time. But you're just rinsing that out, making sure that you can feel all the product has been rinsed, and then you can just go ahead, brush it out, blow dry it, and have a look at the finished results. Yay, I'm so happy that I did this. What a cool thing. Like, I always forget you can just chuck like a temporary color through your hair just to kind of like change things up a bit, make it a little bit more edgy. Like, I don't know, and then I love how subtle it is, so I can obviously hide it. So you would have seen I don't go all the way to the top, I don't come out, I make sure that it's all hidden here, and I just separate it out and I pick a section and then just color it, and I'm not worried about hair or how tidy it is. You just make sure it's a nice clean like piece together, and then it just shines through. I love it. Yes, I'm gonna get a whole bunch more colors because I just remember how addicted I am to this. I know this is not like a super like popular video or anything like that, but I know I'm gonna get questions about my streak and what product I use and all that kind of stuff, and I wanted to show you guys how vibrant that Fudge paint box is and the color it looks like on blonde hair. And yeah, that's pretty much my story. So that's it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you're looking for a little bit of an edge or you want to know what this is in my hair, then that is it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Chuck me a comment down below if you want to have a chat. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps me out. It helps promote the video. And I'll get better at getting my face in shot. And no, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.